Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your wallet from trustwallet. Alright, so it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on. Now to delete your wallet from trustwallet, first open your trustwallet and go on setting. Once you go on setting over here, go on where it says wallets. And once you go on wallet, you can click on the three dot over here and click on show secret phrase. Then enter the password of your trust wallet and tick mark all these three and click on continue. And once you do that, it's going to show you this 12-word recovery phrase. Now write it down and keep it in a safe and secure place so nobody else can see it, because whoever can see it can access your wallet. Alright, so make sure to keep it in a safe place, because in the future if you want to recover your wallet again, you are gonna need this. Alright, so once you copy that, you can go back and click on this dustbin looking icon and click on OK. Once you do that, your wallet will be deleted just like this. So let me show you, and let me enter the password over here. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can delete your trust wallet. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.